Starting a terrace garden is the best thing that you could do for yourself. From growing veggies that you consume on a weekly basis, flowers that you love, and foliage that can add such a lush feel, a terrace garden offers so many benefits, not just for you, but also the butterflies and birds and bees out there. If you have been toying with the idea of setting up a terrace garden, then you must join our 11-day terrace gardening course that starts on May 1st online. We will teach you all the steps required for you to set up your own terrace garden and tips and tricks so that you can become an ace gardener. Join our WhatsApp group today so that we can give you the registration details and all of the information required for you to get into this amazing 11-day terrace gardening course. Comment with Terrace if you would like to receive a special discount for this course. Check the captions below for more details. Happy gardening!